In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends in YapYap, this game right here. So press play. Just pick a random one. Okay. Once you're in the game, if you press escape, as you can see, there's no like invite part. There's no invite thing. So basically, what you have to do, you have to press Shift Tab, and you have to be on Steam, right? And once you're in, once you press Shift Tab, you can press friends here, okay, and then whoever's online, right click on their username and press invite game. You're gonna need to add them on Steam for this. But yeah, but another way you could invite people in this game is you go to this orb right here. So you spawn in right there and you go to this orb in this house, okay, press pond. It's the ponder orb, and basically if you press on it, it's gonna pull up the Steam thing, and whoever friends are online, just press on their name and it's gonna invite them. And yeah, that's really it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.